I don't know, folks. These ladies just revealed an unauthorized purchase. And they didn't think that I wasn't, they didn't think I was going to notice. Now, see if you notice. I said, where did you get those new shoes? Look at this. And then I look over here, and she's got a pair too.
Yeah.
Ladies, what's...
Ate Cecil, Ate Pat, and me, we have 3 shoes.
Wait a minute. You talking about this unauthorized purchase went down when we were still at the penthouse suite?
Yes!
Okay. So, all right. So I suspect this was an unauthorized Lazada purchase. Is that correct?
Yes!
Now we're getting to the bottom of this unauthorized purchase, my friends. And I'm gonna tell you what, if the ladies look like they're going to a club, well, they do. They look like they're going out, but this is maybe 9 o'clock on a Friday morning. They're actually going to get a barangay clearance.
Wait, I need to borrow your 1 pen.
They're going to get a barangay clearance and a police clearance, but they're rocking out some club clothes and some new shoes. I don't have any idea what's going down. But they are looking quite beautiful today. They did their hair, they did each other's hair, they got some lipstick on. Got the Lamborghini on the way to pick them up. And so what's good for me is I'm excited about spending all day, just me and Forrest G. And what I told these ladies, I said me and Forrest G may take the shuttle over to Angeles City and eat dinner at Tequila Reef tonight. And we might just come back tomorrow. But I told them, I said, listen ladies, if for some reason you can't get in touch with me and Forrest G, just send Helen of Troy a message and she can pass on the message to us. My goodness, they're looking beautiful today. Ladies, listen. Okay, there's no unauthorized Jollibee purchases today.
Wait, I have no food, huh? Me too. After we get the papers, we go to eat.
Folks, they think I don't know what the hell they're planning. They're gonna get this barangay clearance and then the police clearance up in Subic Town, and right next door is a Jollibee. So all they're dreaming about is whenever they can get this shit done so they can go get damn Jollibee.
Wait lang. Hoy, may ID ka? Sa ano?
This is like the nightclub clothes.
Hoy, hindi kami papasok. Did you see the in the bar that they wear?
These are bar clothes. This is party clothes. You go into the police station to get a police clearance.
As long I'm not naked, I'm not wearing a panties or
Tell the truth. Did you get dressed up to go to Jollibee? You're so excited.
No! Marquitos, wag mo kami bigyan ng kasalanan. Nasaan na ba si Kuya?
You see the stress I'm under, my friends.
Ako tatawag. Tawagan mo
My
si Kuya.
God, the stress.
Okay, paano mukha kang ano dyan?
Ladies, I told you that was a Lamborghini. I've been listening to the sound of that engine for over a year. I know the sound of the Lamborghini's engine.
Yun!
That's not
Bye-bye.
here. Okay, ladies, have a good time. Got your briefcase going on. You ladies are looking beautiful.
Yay!
Okay, baby. Just say no to the Jollibee, baby. Just say no.
Just say yes.
No to the Jollibee.
Yeah, Marquitos, we have a time for Jollibee. Nagtaan kami ng oras dyan. Bye-bye.
I think going to the vegetable market is more important than going to Jollibee, ladies.
Yes.
Hey, take that trash with you too. Take that trash. I don't want to hurt my back taking that downstairs.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, honey. Look at
Iwan
them
ko to
little
sa
folks.
baba.
They're so cute. Hey folks, I want to thank you for joining us on today's video. It's just one of those daily life at the beach videos. I don't think there's going to be any purpose, but basically what we got going on today, I just sent the ladies out. They're going up to try to get some paperwork done in anticipation of getting some more paperwork and getting ID cards renewed and stuff like that. Most of the Filipinos that have ever come through my life, if they have a postal ID card that's expired, if they had an NBI clearance that's expired, most of them never had any of that stuff. Obviously never had a passport. So just things you have to deal with. If you get a Filipino girlfriend, you got to start helping her get her IDs established and eventually get her passport and take things from there. So that's what they're doing. What I'm excited about today is that me and Forrest G get to hang out. Just father and son. We may go to the beach. We'll at least go over and see the ladies at the Blue Rock and see how they're doing. Maybe go down and see Mr. Kevin and Mr. Eric. And just have a good day. Me and him hanging out. So thanks for joining us, folks, and just low key living at the beach here in the Philippines. Here, let Papa help you. Get back, buddy. Just feeding Forrest G some breakfast. You got eggs, you got Hungarian sausage, you got toast, piece of cheese. Easy, buddy. Hey, sit down now. Let's sit down at the dinner table. There you go.